from Cotton Candy Fabrics.
And I'm Tara.
And we are so excited about this new Bernette B08 straight stitch sewing machine.
Why are we so excited?
Tell me.
It does 1,600 stitches per minute.
It includes the extension table.
Extra large bobbin.
And 2 presser feet.
Who could beat that?
Who could beat that? Let's open her up.
I'd love to.
Ooh.
Ah.
Limited warranty, 10 years, and all mechanical parts.
Fantastic. Always quality.
Straight stitch guide, quick start guide.
Lovely. There's your little knee presser foot. Always fun.
Ooh, look, I love little boxes and little cases.
Oh, what's in there?
Oh, it's so helpful. It has all of your tools.
Oh, I love those tools. Some oil.
Looks like
Keep
urine.
everything.
Oil. And a thread starter set. Ooh.
Here's the extension table. It's a great size.
Yeah. All right, we are.
Let's pull this lovely thing out of here. Release it from its confines.
Wow.
Ooh, I love the look of this.
Turn it around.
It's got a great throat space and a giant foot pedal. You could use both feet, no waiting.
Size does matter.
It does. Setup is super simple with the quick start guide.
So we're going to start with the jumbo extension table.
That thing is huge.
It is huge. And you can see on the back there's just little feet that you pop out. They have nice protection for your table. And then the table slides right on and you have a nice sturdy surface with a ton of throat space as well.
And then all that's left to do is plug in the power and attach your foot pedal and you're ready to go. Okay, so let's give it a whirl. I happen to have some quilting fabric here. And then you just press the button here to cut your thread. You get beautiful stitching.
Gorgeous.
Fantastic. And think of how fast you could get those quilts done.
Everything you need to start straight stitching is available to you right out of the box. And we're so excited that this is on special from Bernina for February 2025. With any purchase of the Bernette 08 straight stitch machine, you get your choice of an additional set of presser feet and accessories. There is the quilt making set, and then there's also the sewing set. And either of these are included for you with this machine purchase in February. So I don't know if you can tell how excited we are about this Bernette 08 straight stitch machine. There are so many features. We're loving the extra large table to facilitate your sewing. The throat space, which is super helpful. The easy access to the bobbin area. Great features.
Fantastic. And when you add in the needle threader here, the automatic bobbin button here, and then your cutter and your extra large back stitch bar, it's an absolutely wonderful machine.
And when you buy a sewing machine from Cotton Candy Fabrics, we want to make sure you can use all the features. So if you're in store, we will give you a 1-hour guide lesson in store. And if you're not local to us, we're happy to do the lesson via video. Thanks for watching and visit us online at cottoncandyfabrics.com.
Thank you.